Hey guys, Rich Pacini here. Today I want to talk about, do older videos that get views on YouTube still helpful with channel growth? And you're going to be surprised what ChatGPT has to say about that. But I want to share some of my channel analytics with you guys out there and show you that older videos do still get views. So let's check this out. Let me minimize the screen over here. And here I am over here, and I want to show you so far what my channel got for the last 28 days here. Got 5,434. Not bad for a small YouTuber. I'm a small YouTube channel, but it's getting there. Gained 6 subscribers so far. And I want to show you something that YouTube puts out, okay? And this is for the newbies out there, in case you're wondering about older videos. I thought it'd be interesting to share this information with you guys. Check this out. This is compiled from YouTube, not me. Your top content, your top content in this period, okay? And it shows you 10 of them. And then if you click over, it'll say see more, but for all argument's sake, we're just going to keep it at the 10 right now. And I'm going to go through them with you verbatim, and just going to try to keep this video as quick and short as possible because I know you guys are busy out there, but I just thought this information might be helpful to you guys in case you're wondering. Let's check this one out. I'm going to click it on. All right. Now over here, before I click it on, it's going to show you how many views it got, okay, and the average view duration, okay, which is not much, but it is what it is. I know it's crazy, right? But and look at the date. I want you guys to take notice of the date. This is December 3rd, 2016. This Microsoft mouse with USB receiver, when I click it on, it's going to bring up here the information. This video got 542 views in the last 28 days, and I gained 2 subscribers from it. Not too bad, right? For an older video, and that was from 2016. Okay. Let's go back to Channelytics, and we'll do the next one. We'll just go down one by one. I'm going to show you to see it for yourselves. Okay. No smoke and mirrors here. Now some got subscribers, not a lot, 1 on each, maybe 2 on that one. But some of them got subscribers and some didn't. But I just want to show you the view count on some of these. Now this one here is a fairly new one. This one has gotten 412 views since it was published, as you can see here. And this was published a couple of days ago. And as you can see, I got no subscribers from it. But I'm talking about views. Okay, so let's go over here. I know there's probably some people might say, it's not to write home about, but it's good to know. This one here came out February 5th, 2017. This got 196 views in the last 28 days. This is current stuff, so, not bad, all right, for an older video. So we'll go back to the other one here. This one here, the RC DVD player. This one here got 1 subscriber, and it got 172 views in the last 28 days. And this video came out. Let's go back to that again. I missed the date on. I'm sorry, guys. Let's go back over here. Channelytics. Let me go over here. I'm sorry, guys. Let me go back over here again. And let's see this one here. This one came out October 22nd, 2016, right over here. Okay. This one over here, Thomas and Friends. All right. You look at these videos. This one came out January 6, 2017. This one gained 1 subscriber and it got 126 views in the last 28 days. Okay. And we go back. The Keurig single cup coffee maker demo, right? This came out August 11, 2017, and gained no subscribers, but in the last 28 days, it got 123 views. So, and that's an older video. Seems like the older videos seem to got a lot of views. Well, I'm sure there are other ones. If they really want to catalog it the right way, you'll see that there's some out there that have thousands upon thousands of views. All right. This one here came out August 31st, 2023. A video with a simple thumbnail that got 875 million views. This one here didn't do as good as I thought. I thought that the thumbnail would help out in the title, but it didn't. No subscribers from it, but it got 119 views since it was published. And you're talking August of 2023. And we'll go back over here. And we got over here, this one here, the Xbox 360. This came out February 3rd, 2017. This one got 1 subscriber and it got 119 views in the last 28 days. And I think we're coming out to just close this part out here. Oh, we got 2 more, I'm sorry. The Panasonic commercial electric stapler demo here. This one here got 109 views since it was last 28 days. No subscribers, but views. Anyway, what was that date on that one? That was May 26, 2017. Seems like they got the 16, something, 16, 17, and this one here, this one over here is the one from December 11, 2018. This one here got, this video got, since it was published now, not in the last 28 days, since it was published, it got over 1,000 views, 1,000 views, and it gained 1 subscriber, okay? All right, so you're probably wondering, what the point I'm trying to get across is, even though these are older videos, they still get views, and in some cases they do get subscribers, okay? Not a lot in my case, but I'm a small YouTuber, so I can't complain, to be honest with you. But if you go in your Channelytics, you could see this for yourself. It's always good to study them as best you can, and you'll get an idea of what, what's out there, what people are searching for or looking at on your particular videos. Now remember, I'm pushing close to 2,000 videos. I'm getting there. I think I need another 200, and after this one I'll make it 207 more videos, and I'll hit that 2,000 video mark. I'd like to get 2,000 subscribers, to be truthfully honest with you, but it's okay. All right, now let's go check out what ChatGPT has to say about this here. So I typed in, just like the title says, do older videos that get views on YouTube still helpful with channel growth? And this is what they said. Now, I'm going to play the program for those who follow me on here. It's called Read Aloud. I'm going to mute my mic and let you listen to it. You can always pause the camera if you don't want to hear the person reading it. But, I kind of like it like that. It gives me a little coffee break, or in this case, a water break. So I'm going to mute my mic and check this out, okay? So let's start. Let's just get ready to do this here. I'm going to mute my mic now.
Do older videos that get views on YouTube still helpful with channel growth? Yes, older videos that continue to get views on YouTube can still be beneficial for channel growth for several reasons. Consistent view count. If an older video consistently attracts views, it can contribute to the overall view count of the channel, which is a metric YouTube might consider when recommending your other videos. Audience retention. If viewers watch most or all of an older video, it suggests to YouTube's algorithm that the video is engaging and valuable. This can increase the likelihood that the video is recommended to others. Subscriber growth. New viewers might discover a channel through an older video and then choose to subscribe after watching. This can lead to incremental growth in subscribers over time. Ad revenue. If the older video is monetized, consistent views can contribute to ad revenue. Interlinked content. Older videos can be used to promote newer content, and vice versa, through end screens, cards, or descriptions. If an older video has steady traffic, it can funnel viewers to newer videos or other parts of a channel. Established authority. Videos that have been around for a while and have accumulated a lot of views can be seen as authoritative or definitive on their topics, making them more likely to be recommended in searches or on user homepages. Algorithmic boost. The YouTube algorithm is complex and considers multiple factors, including watch time, viewer engagement, and more. Older videos that perform well in these metrics can help boost the channel's overall standing in the eyes of the algorithm. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. It's essential to keep producing new and relevant content to ensure the channel remains current and to attract a broader audience. Depending on older videos alone might not be a sustainable growth strategy. Older videos might become outdated or irrelevant, so it's essential to periodically review and update the content or annotations to reflect any changes or new information. Audience interests and YouTube's algorithm can evolve over time. So, while older videos can be valuable assets, creators should not rely solely on them for sustained growth. In summary, while newer content and active engagement with your audience are vital for channel growth, older videos that continue to receive views can certainly play a role in a channel's success.
Okay, so basically, it's kind of like going to give you the pros and cons of older videos, but I tell you the truth, I think the pros outweigh more the cons, okay? And that's why I had to show you my videos first. This way it all interrelates with this here, what ChatGPT is saying. They do, and in some cases, like I said, I do believe they do help gain subscribers. And these videos are like evergreen. Like I said, they're out there. These videos were created back in 2013, 2014, 15, 16. As you can see the dates there. Well, I didn't go back to the 2013 one. That's when I started my YouTube channel. So a lot of the older videos, they're still out there. They call them evergreen videos, whatever. And as you could see in some of the videos I did, the oldest one I think was for 2016, I believe. It still got views, not a lot. It didn't make my channel grow exponentially, but I believe it is helping. So you guys, you could check it out for yourselves if you look at your channelytics and see what YouTube feels that are your top 10 content videos. And something else, you could also go back to those videos and tweak them a little too. You might want to add some more tags to it. Maybe you might want to change the title around or whatever, or maybe you might want to revamp it. I don't know if you can change the I'm quite sure you could change the what do you call it there, the title and the thumbnail as well. That might help a little on your older videos if you choose to do so, but I wouldn't do it all. Like in my case, like I said, I'm working towards 2,000 videos. I don't think I would go that far back to do all of that, but maybe the top 10 that they're talking about, maybe there might be a little little leadway there to do stuff like that. But I just wanted to share it with you guys out there, and I thought, by me sharing my channel analytics, it might help you, give you a little insight as far as like having older videos. Do they still gain views, in some cases subscribers? And the proof is in the pudding right here, folks. That's why I showed you guys that there. I didn't really think it's just smoke and mirrors. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you get a chance, go back over here to ChatGPT and read these things here about what they're talking about, and this will give you a little more insight when it comes to creating videos and stuff like that. So I hope this information helps. Well, that's all I have for you right now. I hope it was helpful, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated to when I post new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Basini signing off. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye bye for now.